Recording in progress.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to Ananta X, the prosperity ecosystem built for scalable rewards. It is a member-first ecosystem combining real-world benefits, automatic gold accumulation, and a structured reward system. So Ananta X, 10 core benefits, one system, no waiting. Founded November 2022, Ananta X is fully comprehensively FSP compliant and introducing your membership now builds gold. Real, regulated, and automatic. The knowledge is power. Please check out all the information because this might be what you were looking for. So life is tougher than ever. Groceries cost more, opportunities feels fewer, security feels uncertain, scams are thriving, and people are working harder than ever. And I'm here to tell you that the system is broken. I'm also here. What if I told you that you could start saving money every month, access benefits for your family, start accumulating gold every month, and build an ongoing rewards income without selling products, carrying stock, all safe and secure with no risk? Ananta X is built on three pillars to help you save, to protect you, and to help you grow. These pillars are unshakable, they make us stable, and they can make you unstoppable. Now, Ananta X is not for everybody. It is for families who want stability, professionals that value structure, network marketers who understand that the benefits and structure of Ananta X is not in competition with any current network. Builders who think long term, but if you are looking for a quick fix or a fast win, then Ananta X is not for those people. If you are looking for sustainable rewards, it might. It's for group stock sales, churches, organizations, and for legacy builders. So what makes Ananta X so unique? The fact that you get 10 core benefits from day one. There's no selling, no distribution headaches, not direct selling, there's no risk, value for money, benefits for the whole family, no capital investment, unlimited income potential, training, a duplicatable system, no hidden agendas, and no decline in active income. So let's take a closer look at what Ananta X really offers. 10 core benefits. So Ananta X is not a product or income first, it is value first. Members join for real benefits that they already use: groceries, healthcare, education, protection, and travel, plus now the automatic gold accumulation inside a compliant framework. Benefit number one, a virtual wallet integrated with the wealth growth benefit. It includes 10% of every membership fee automatically goes and buys you gold. Automatic, regulated for long-term positioning. You have a cash or a rewards wallet. You have a gold and silver wallet that is backed one-on-one with a physical commodity. And you now have the ability to buy additional gold and silver at any time. We offer prepaid services, electricity, airtime, mobile data. There's a USDT wallet to be added very soon. Full access on the app, Apple, Android, web browsers, and non-smartphone access. And when it comes to compliance, Ananta X and all components operate within a fully FSP regulated and compliant framework. Benefit number two, grocery coupons powered by Hermanix. 5 digital coupons per product, issued monthly, redeemable at major retailers, Dis-Chem, ShopRite, Checkers, and Pick n Pay, and you save 750 Rand per month per store. That's 3,000 Rand per month, available on fully digital and simple, easy to use coupons on everyday products that we use. Every day every week, every month. Cooking oil, 10 Rand off. Sugar, 10 Rand off. These are on off-the-shelf price. Doesn't matter if they are running any current specials, the coupons are on top. Black Cat peanut butter, 10 Rand. Bread and buns, 5 Rand. Millie Meal, chicken pieces, 20 Rand. Doom, 5 Rand. Sauces, condiments, ice cream, 10 Rand. Parmalat 6-pack, 20 Rand off. 3,000 Rand. Benefit number 3 is our funeral arrangement. It includes professional funeral assistance. This is in the event that a Ananta member passes away. Practical support when families needs it most. 1,000 Rand grocery voucher, 240 hours of talk time, an Android smartphone gifted by Ananta X, including 10 gigs of data. Number 4, travel style, a travel club concierge style. This includes unlimited bookings for Ananta X families, no excess on hold for qualifying car rentals. That means we do not pay the big excess levy. Accommodations up to 60%, car rental benefits, unlimited kilometers. You can add a driver for free, and we only pay the fuel deposit, which is about 2,500 Rand. Flights and bus bookings, all unlimited. Benefit number 5, emergency assist medical support. This includes private ambulance cover for the main member, a 24/7 medical helpline for you and your family. Any medical advice from first aid, symptoms, health counseling, stress management, even medical travel information. Benefit number 6, short-term group discounts, personal and business. This includes discounted personal insurance, discounted business insurance. They have group negotiated rates linked to most of the big insurance houses, and we even get professional insurance guidance. Benefit number 7, education discounts through CTU College. This includes 10% discretionary discount on selected programs online and through their campuses in South Africa. Number 8 is massive. What is education worth? Call the teacher private tutorship. This includes up to 48 hours per month private tutorship. It includes all school grades, all subjects, all major South African languages. A team of teachers are available from 6 to 9, Monday to Thursday evenings, except public holidays. And they are available on all platforms and even have a callback service. It is a queuing process, so just plan ahead. Benefit number 9 is our members exclusive additional benefits and services that we bring to you. Active Health for All, Funeral for All, Ananta X Academy, Property Referral Program, Free Last Will and Testament, bond originating services, and more in the pipeline. Our funeral, single and family, up to 8 members, 5 up to 30,000 Rand funeral cover, up to the age of 85. Our waiting period for Ananta X members is the benefit. Under 65, only 4 months. Over 65, only 7 months. And we offer a beneficiary payout and Ananta X support included, starting from as little as 60 Rand per month. Included in our funeral for all, for each member that takes a funeral, is our legacy learning program, offering over 250 online courses covering entrepreneurship, fitness, health and healthy eating, internet marketing, personal growth, productivity, and even web design. Our Health for All, it is similar to a medical aid. The big difference is no planned operations. And all Ananta X members have got no comparison, no exclusions, no penalties, and no waiting period. We only have what we call a 1-month registration period. As little as 340 Rand a month, starting for the hospital cover. But the full package includes doctor's visits, minor doctor room procedures, nurse consultations, telemedicine consultations, acute and chronic medication, private hospital cover, basic emergency dentistry, optometry, and a vaccination program, and more in the pipeline. We have an international expansion. We are working on an online store. My personal next target is the dialer with an Anantax airtime and a whole bunch of stuff coming, but it's all about the product. Anantax is a prosperity ecosystem. It is not a typical business pitch. Members join mainly for real everyday benefits, and there's also automatic gold accumulation built in. Some people are just happy using it, but others choose to build slowly and responsibly. So here's a question. Do you want a covered or a free membership? Answer is no, 100%, because the membership is powerful enough with savings, benefits, additional options, and auto gold accumulation to get back a large portion, if not your entire membership. Option 2, yes. For builders that we call trailblazers, the goal is very simple. The first goal is to remove cost pressure through structure. That means with 4 active personals participating, your participation or your membership is already covered, and listen carefully. Your gold is still accumulating in the background. Option 3, yes, but I want more because I can see the benefits and I can see what it can do for other people. So what if Anantax can become more than a benefit? What if it can become a career, your legacy, your freedom with travel, training, recognition, and residual income? Well, it can. Benefit number 10 is our rewards, training, and legacy program. This includes the Anantax 5-step system, Anantax Academy, 4-week action empowerment program, ongoing training through the Zooms and the growth room, ranks recognition, a uni-level rewards program designed for long-term legacy building. No quick fixes here. Quarterly incentive program unique to Anantax. That includes travel, cash, and as well as international. Anantax offer each member effort-based outcome. Now you can unlock your rewards, direct rewards, people you assist, level or milestone rewards, people that they assist on selected additional products. So for each successful referred member with your unique link, you will get rewarded 100 Rand per month. That means if you've referred 100 people, you will be earning 10,000 Rand a month. This is through our community rewards program with up to 5 milestones of recognition and reward. So milestone 1, 4 people, everybody's got benefits and auto gold, and your membership is covered and your gold still accumulates. Milestone number 2, help them get their 4. You're earning over 800 Rand. Everybody gets benefit and gold. Milestone 3, help them do exactly what you did. They've got their free memberships. Auto gold, you're earning 3,000. Help them introduce their 4. You're earning over 8,000. Milestone 5, you're earning over 23,000 Rand a month. Now, I spoke about no limit. Unlimited width equals you are not capped. That means for those, if everybody just introduces one more person, income shoots up to over 65,000 Rand a month. And everybody will get gold every single month. So most programs limit people. What they can do at Anantax, we believe in freedom and fairness. You can connect as many people as you like, and this unlimited width creates unlimited potential. With no product sales, no stock, no hidden agenda. It's simply about sharing benefits and growing together. Ranks and recognition is very simple. On top manager, when you've got 5 active members on your direct link, you take the rank as a manager. So 100 Rand per member, that equates to 500 Rand. Then team means anywhere within those 5 levels that we spoke about. So for manager 1-star, you need 5 personals and 10 people anywhere in your team. From senior manager, we are introducing exclusive to Ananta X quarterly incentives from 2,500, 3,000, 6,000. Senior manager 4-star, a minimum income of 16,000 Rand a month plus 25,000 Rand every quarter. From diamond, the first diamond or first time that anybody hits a rank, they will go on holiday. So the first one is a local ship cruise. From there, if they are still qualified the next quarter, not the next one yet, they can choose either another cruise or 30,000 Rand. Go 70,000 international cruise, yacht cruise, or 100,000, Madagascar, Mauritius, or 200,000, Indonesia, Malaysia, or 300,000. These are all expenses trips for 2. From double, triple, and platinum, it is for you, your spouse, and all your children. Brazil, Cuba, all 400,000. Mexico, Dubai, all 600,000. And as platinum, you'll be earning over 750,000 Rand a month. And on top of that, R1 million every quarter. So how do I go from starting to platinum? By helping in people introducing, start with the 4. And then we've adding, we do have a program. So what does this mean? If you reach and only maintain the volume for a required rank, every quarter, every 3 months, you will receive either the cash incentive or the allocated holiday ongoing, but the 50% rule apply. That means for every team, let's say you've got a team that's got 1,000 people in them within your 5 levels, you get all the income, but only 50%, only 500 counts towards your incentive. I hope that helps. We got tools, the Ananta X Academy, 5-step system, and Ananta X is about lifestyle and gold accumulation. We're all moving to get to where we want to go. Ananta X is the FSP compliant, safe, and can help get there faster. This is a vehicle to add to your life's journey, but please remember, we are not in competition. We are completing. What did you like the most about any of the 10 core benefits? Thousands of rands worth of value in one membership, in savings, services, income, and additional. I hope you can see the value. All of this at only 400 Rand per month, of which a big portion, if not everything, can be recovered through savings, earnings, and rewards. We got Zoom presentations, WhatsApp presentations, and Ananta X member support. People are looking, hunting, and searching for safe and solid ideas and concepts to help them become better in this life with no hidden agendas and no scallops. And we have the best solution. Get back to the person that sent you this video should you have any more requirements, anything you would like to know. But please remember, Ananta X is more than a membership. It is a movement that turns struggle into strength, effort into freedom, and today's discipline into tomorrow's legacy. Because together, we are building something that our future generations will always thank us for.